Okay, so hello everyone. Some shortcuts which maybe you don't know about it. So first of all, if you want to move this row, then using this shift, we can easily move anywhere we want. Suppose something like this. That is the first thing. If you want to copy your this worksheet, then using control, you can press or move anywhere something like this. Okay, and suppose if you are interested in inserting some blank rows, okay, or columns or whatever, then using shift and you can select like this, it will insert the blank rows. And same thing goes for the videos also. Suppose if this is the column, okay, and using this, it will create some blank columns. Okay, so it is all about from the mouse and from the keyboard shift for this blank rows and columns, and then control for this worksheet copy. Thank you everyone.